Hands up if you are also looking for a free and unlimited to use AI text-to-speech generator. And also your hands up if you're tired of those AI text-to-speech generators that ask for all of your money. You simply want something that works, and it is free to use and unlimited to use, right? Well, I thought so because you're like me and love free stuff that is of great quality. And what a coincidence. I just found the perfect free and unlimited to use AI text-to-speech generator. Behold and get ready to join me on this new journey today. Let's get right in. The link in the description of this video. I found this amazing tool on the Hugging Face website. The tool is called Text-to-Speech Unlimited. All the credits for creating this masterpiece goes to Nihal Gazi. Say hello for me. So let's text this tool out now and see if it is any good. Here in the prompt box, we can add the text that the tool should say out loud. So let's type something like, "Hello, I am Bert and I am very happy." The next thing is so cool because here at Emotional Style, we can influence how the text should be said. This level of control on the output is just mind-blowing. So let's type something like, "Very happy." The voice selected is called Alloy. We will test Alloy with a lot of different emotions and the same prompt text. Later, I will show you all the other voices. And press Generate Audio. And it only took 3 seconds. Here it is.
Hello, I am Bert, and I am very happy. Hello, I am Bert, and I am very happy.
Okay, nice. Now we change the emotional style to angry.
Hello, I am Bert, and I am very happy.
Ha ha ha, nice. Now let's try very angry.
Hello, I am Bert, and I am very happy.
Let's make her evil as well.
Hello, I am Bert, and I am very happy.
Just amazing. Let's try smooth. Okay, this emotional style is not recognized, so let's type chill.
Hello, I am Bert, and I am very happy.
Okay, nice. Now let's change the text and make her very emotional.
No, 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 no!
This sounds Oscar-worthy. Now we make her say it very chill.
No, 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 no.
Let's make her say it angry.
No, 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 no.
Now let's make her say it very angry.
No, 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 no.
Now sarcastic and mocking.
No, 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 no.
Okay, perfect. Now I will change the prompt one last time and set the emotional state to confident, cool, and collective. And this time we will check out all the other voices. There are in total 60 voices to choose from. I mean 13. Have a lot of fun listening to them.
Mr. Lemon is the best. Mr. Lemon is the best. Mr. Lemon is the best.
Mr. Lemon is the best.
Mr. Lemon is the best. Mr. Lemon is the best. Mr. Lemon is the best. Mr. Lemon is the best. Mr. Lemon is the best.
Mr. Lemon is the best.
Mr. Lemon is the best.
Mr. Lemon is the best.
Mr. Lemon is the best.
And now it's up to you. Use this opportunity and use this free and unlimited amazing AI text-to-speech generator. Subscribe to Mr. Lemon because you know Mr. Lemon is the best. See you in the next video. Bye.